So hi guys, assemble my ring light with me. Now this is the third one I've had in over a year because they don't really last that long. The last one I had I put together myself and it didn't last long, and I haven't had one for about over a month. So it comes with another phone holder and a remote, and obviously this is the ring light, this is the ring bit. Stick that there. And this is it comes with a couple of poles which are here, and it also comes with the extendable arm and an Allen key, and this bit covering the base. Now the reason I went for this one is because it's really solid and it's hard to move, so it won't be easy to knock over. So now I've got to work out which pole goes first. So it's this pole, goes into the base like this. Goes like this. You just until it goes really tight, or as tight as it can go. And then the second pole I don't normally put them together online. I normally put them, or while I'm making a video, I normally put them together before I make a video. But this is the two poles done, and I don't know, I might have to put it on the floor red so I can show you putting the extendable arm on. And actually it's got a tuck underneath my bed as well. So here's the extendable arm. Here. Now this is the bit that goes in here. I'm just tightening up the extendable arm, and then now it's time to put the actual ring light on. I would have got one on a stand with 3 legs, but I didn't want one like that because I had, not because they're not good, but I had one that I got off TikTok shop that only cost a tenner, and I actually bought 2. I knocked one over and it broke, so I'll just plop it on there. Sorry guys. I'll come back, I'll pause and put this on, and then I'll come back with it all tightened up. Sorry about that guys, a little bit of a change of a plan. I took the bit off that holds the ring light, this bit, and I just tightened it up. So I'm going to put this back on and put the all the stuff through it to hold it together. So I'll pause again and then I'll show you it all built. As you can see now, my ring light is all built. So thank you for watching guys.